Hello, my Nest is giving me an E72 wiring report, says no power wires detected.
How old is your Nest unit?
RH or RC wires rewired.
How long has this been going on with your Nest wiring? What have you tried so far?
Not even a year.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Just today, but I noticed the AC isn't turning off.
Hi, welcome to Just Answer. My name is Master HVAC Tech and Mechanical Contractor. I look forward to helping you today. If the thermostat has been working correctly for a year and you have not changed the wiring, it won't be a wiring issue. The issue might be with the system not powering the thermostat.
I haven't had the thermostat for a year. It's been less than a year.
If it worked even for a few weeks and then stopped, it is not a wiring issue, unless you change the wiring.
All I know is that my air has not shut off today.
Do you have a voltmeter? Check for a float switch at the air handler. A blocked drain will trip the switch and cut the power to the Y wire. Compressor, HAT is the error code you are getting. If you can't find / don't know where to look, send me a picture of your air handler and I'll point you in the right direction.
Morning. Where would that be? Air handler. Hello?
Goos morning, at the indoor AC unit.
I live in an apt. Okay, so where do you want me to check? Customer attachment December 23, 2021, 38 and 43 seconds p.m. I pulled out the black thing on top and the air shut down. Customer attachment December 23, 2021, 47 and 40 seconds p.m.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.